Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Nushi. So today I am going to explain what ChatGPT is, how it works and how you can use in your daily life for your all work. So we'll create a ChatGPT account step by step using your phone or PC. Let's get started. So first of all, open the Google browser. ChatGPT uses artificial intelligence AI tool. It learns from a huge amount in information and understanding human language to give a smart answer. So you type a question and ChatGPT replies in a second. So here you have to type ChatGPT. Click here and search. So you can see here ChatGPT interface can log or sign up. So you have to register first. You can go with continue with Google ID, continue with Apple, continue with phone. You can choose here and you can log here. Pay your login from here, or you can type your email. You can click here your email and continue. Press continue. Check your inbox. Enter the verification code we just sent to your email. You can see here. So full name and age. Type your age. So your ChatGPT account is ready. So you can ask question, general image, get coding help, write content, learn anything. So click here ChatGPT. Here have ChatGPT Plus. So there are also paid plan with extra features and faster performance. So ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It can answer the question, help with learning, writing code. So you can chat with it just like a talking to a real person. You can see. Click here and ask any question. So I'm going to ask what is the tallest tower in the world. So click. Ask question from ChatGPT. What is the tallest tower in the world? So the answer is the tallest tower in the world is Burj Khalifa. Here you can see the image also have full details from this. You can save this image also. So my next question I like to ask, I need thumbnail design with a waterfall background. Let's type. I have typed my next question. I need thumbnail design with a waterfall background. Let's click here. So have a question, just ask ChatGPT. From learning and technology to everyday problem and creative ideas, ChatGPT can give quick and helpful answer anytime. Let's see here. Here have my thumbnail. And see here. You can save this picture also. ChatGPT is help for students, homework, notes, summaries, learning new subjects. So YouTubers, so video ideas, scripts, title. So like that for office work can use email and report, presentation, everything. So you can see here new chat. You can search chat, you can see, and you can go to new chat also. So I'm going to write here, thank you. And click here. You can go to next questions. You can ask any question from here. So you can see here I have typed waterfall. I need waterfall image. So they have sent what kind of image would you like to see. So example natural. A waterfall, yeah, I need natural waterfall image. So I will type here. So here I have typed natural waterfall image. Just click and see. Here are some beautiful natural waterfall scenes. We'll see. Here you can see here lovely natural waterfalls. So the easy way to grow is to learn, constantly improve your skills and stay disciplined every day. So small progress over time create a big success. That's for today video. I'm ending here. Make sure to subscribe and share and turn on the notification bell. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.